Parkour which way, dog?
Parkour this way.
Alright, parkour.
Let me see if I can get that angle real quick.
Parkour. Morning! Oh my god!
Parkour. 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 Parkour.
Parkour. Parkour. Alright. Parkour, I parkour that. Larry, you want to parkour?
I'm good.
Alright.
Come on, Larry, you have to parkour.
My legs are not meant for parkour.
Hey, parkour. Parkour that. Trevor's about to parkour from here to there. Ready? Alright, let me get some angle. Ready, parkour?
From where?
From here to there, to that tree.
Am I going this way or that way?
This way.
Alright.
You ready? Alright.
Parkour.
Uh-oh.
Parkour.
Uh-oh. Jump, dog, jump. Oh. He just parkoured that tree right there. Oh, dang. Alright. It's kind of hard. Yeah, you gotta. There's a lot of sliding rocks, but it's fun though. No, someone kind of didn't want to, but it's fun though. It's very. I think there's another waterfall up there. Oh really? Now it's fine. Have fun. Got a little interview going on.
You wanna go parkour?
Hey, parkour, dog.
Right.
You ready? I'm about to parkour with my camera.
Right.
Parkour, 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 parkour. All right, parkour starting now. Go.
No, you. I'm tired of parkouring.
All right, my turn. All right, parkour, Glenn.
I had a timer.
Parkour.
Oh, look at liars.
Parkour shoelaces.
Intense time shoe right here.
Parkour shoelaces.
This is crazy.
Times
mad
2.
skill.
Bam!
Double
Dang! Swag
Alright.
points. All right, ready?
Wait.
Parkour. Parkour.
This sounds like it hurt.
Parkour. Parkour. Dog. Parkour. 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 Oh, dang.
Parkour.
That's hardcore.
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 Yeah.
Hey, this is the epic parkour. Ready? Ready? You ready? Parkour.
Awesome.
Dang.
Go. Lyra, your turn. Parkour.
My turn?
Yeah, you gotta say
Here.
parkour and then jump. I
Here,
could really use a burrito right now.
Parkour.
Parkour. Whoa.
Yep. Parkour.
Hey, this don't break, huh?
Parkour. 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 Parkour.
Your ball's gonna have like memories.
I know,
Here's your
right?
phone.
Oh, thanks, yo.
Look
All right.
at my hand.
This is a real hiking man's hand.
The cut is kind of dirty and stuff.
Hey, Hey, hold this. Let me zoom in on that. You know?
Why do I want to take a picture of that? That's
Hey.
very disgusting.
No, this is parkour stuff. Take a picture of Trevor's lovely face.
Ew, no.
Come on.
Take a picture?
No, just video.
Oh, okay.
You know?
No.
All right. Let me see. Hey, let me see that sexy hand of yours.
Oh,
That's gross. There's
That's
dirt.
Trevor right here.
My nose is acting up.
Hey, are you hungry, Lyra?
Low key.
Low key. All right, we're about to go eat something.
Hey, man, Lyra stepped up her slang game. Low key.
Hey, she and Dena, she gotta. She don't want to look like no foreigner. Hey, why are you going the hard way?
Wait, what?
Which way did we go last time?
Yeah, it's the same way we came.
Yeah, I thought.
Yeah,
it was
that's hard. This way's easy.
Are you
I'm
sure?
just backtracking, dog.
Someone's backtracking.
They got another cut.
Oh, parkour.
Let's go.
Nah, let's go that way.
Which way?
Nah, that way.
Were you kidding? Oh. Now
I
you
just-
made me get up to this side for no reason. Ah! Stupid stick!
Hey, Kids stick be dangerous.
Yeah.
Don't be fighting trees, cause trees be falling on kids.
Ow.
Uh oh, see look, another tree just attacked her.
Dang.
Man,
Is that the same stick?
yeah, stupids.
Watch your pole. Because it could hit your knee.
That's what she said to he said.
Because I said.
Yeah, look at this hard pole over here. This is nature's pole. They go big or they go home.
You don't know what's in that?
Hey, we're about to find out.
That's gross.
Nature. Nature. Swag.
Make me itchy.
Swag. Swag me out. Nature be swagged out.
Imagine if we start walking, there's like
Hey, don't be saying stuff like that. Ugh.
you guys know what to do when snakes come by, right?
Yup, you pee.
You pee? I thought that's for coyotes.
You pee for everything. You know what? Oh!
Stupid rock.
Be careful.
Hey, too bad we can't sue nature.
I know.
Yeah, I'm so rich right now.
Thank you. Nature. Deadliest thing ever. Hey, look at this big rock. This big rock be nice. It'd be looking like a meatball. Alright. So this is Echo Canyon. Hey, do you think if I fart it would echo? I don't got no gas. My fuel is low.
Bert, see?
Parkour. Parkour. Oh, you could go.
You know that?
Yep.
Just give it to me on the way down.
For sure. Oh, Turby washing his hands. Hey, you want to drink that water?
No, I'm okay.
Dog, just do it.
Alright.
Man versus wild.
You want me to do it?
You got a filter?
No. Mommy, come on. Guys, refresh, right?
I don't know about that.
You sure?
People try to put their foot in there, spit in there.
I mean, doesn't it get refreshed?
Why not take a sip first?
Oh, wait, let me video you doing this.
I'm in the way.
Alright, hey, drink that.
Nah, no, I have a feeling it's gonna be stupid if I do.
Nah, look, drink it.
You drink it first.
Dog, I'm the video man.
Yeah, so you knew I was.
Fine, I'll drink it. Here.
Larry, can you hold it? My hands are wet.
Oh, yeah, that's what she said. Oh, she about to drink it?
Oh, you want me to?
No, don't. Glenn has to drink it first. Since he's
Alright.
making this.
I mean, that was in the dirt. I'll rather drink from my hand.
Okay, here, look. I'm gonna clean
No,
it.
can you hold it? Hold the camera.
Yeah, you see?
What side walk it out? This side walk it out. Walk it out. Just kidding, I gotta wash my hands.
So you're gonna wash your hands and then drink it. Ew.
That'd be sick.
I was about
Oh! Don't drink it! That's gross, dog.
It is?
Yeah.
I know, I was about to
think
drink
I
it.
tasted human pee.
Hey, this is man versus wild.
I'm about to get infected, dog. And you said I was single in the previous video. Girls be saying I got ADD. Or whatever that thing's called.
HIV?
HIV going AIDS. HIV UPP heads.
Okay, here, parkour. Parkour.
Hey, parkour gone crazy, yo. Par.
Hey, where was it that I slipped at? Right there, yeah?
Yeah, watch out. Hey, that's some crazy parkour.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
Get that water. Hey. Water be sick. My bad. Alright. Hey! We got that on camera.
For real?
Yeah.
Has everything I've done fallen caught on camera?
Yup. Yup.
Camera?
Dang, this be. Alright. Whoa. Oh. Parkour.
Yeah, I got reception up here.
So do I, dog. It's a phone. We're not in the forest.
But you canyon there is no reception.
Hey, did you know that dolphins and whales are the only mammals that don't drink water? That's crazy, right?
Okay.
Yeah, but I got that too. But they live in the water.
I mean, don't they swallow it?
Nah, because, you know, their nostrils or whatever that thing's called.
No, but I mean,
They're-
don't whales swallow it? Because they be opening their mouths to get food.
Yeah, but they send it out from their hole.
Oh, that's right.
Yep. That's crazy though, right?
So how do they drink?
They don't. That's the thing.
So they just eat.
Yeah, they just eat. Only mammals in the world that...
Wouldn't they be constipated when they take that?
Why do you think they're so big? They save up.
That's so shit.
I know. Whoa!
Okay.
Nature be crazy.
For real.
All
It
right.
has like an organism or something in their body that produces water or something. So they don't have to drink.
No?
I don't know. Trevor be making stuff up now because he's been falling so much.
Yeah.
Wait, but I've seen dolphins drink milk before.
Milk is not water.
Isn't it kind of like water?
Nah.
I mean, it's a liquid, right?
Hey, did you? Oh, all right. Hey, could I tell her about the? You know what? Remember the hairy? The hairy. You know?
Oh, the hairy chest.
Yeah.
Well,
It'll be on video.
ask her first.
Hey, could I tell you?
No, don't do it on video.
Oh yeah. I'll tell you later. When we're
But it
eating.
wasn't me. I don't have a hairy chest.
Trevor, we all know that.
Yeah, we all know you're not hairy at all.
Shut up.
I mean, you walk around the house without your shirt on, so we know you're not.
Yeah.
That's a good thing, because that's unattractive.
And then she gets to talk about my dad.
Hey, my chest is not hairy.
That's good.
It's nice.
That's like one of my biggest pet peeves.
Do you like hairy legs and hairy arms?
Maybe. Just kidding. No.
No?
Shit, just kidding.
We got that out video. It came out.
My lens, stupid.
Hey, lenses don't get hairy, yo.
Yeah, they do.
No, they don't.
Like,
Oh, yeah.
very.
Yeah, I like how we walked back quicker than we...
Well, yeah, because you're going down.
Because we talking so much.
You should have done this from the beginning.
Swag.
So this one out of mine off.
I know.
Where are we talking?
Nah, we were
weren't
just...
having fun with. We're just talking, you know what I mean?
Yeah, we were just like... Dog, if this pipe breaks, all the poop in the world's gonna hit us.
Oh, what? This is the pipe for the poopers?
Hey, you can do pull-ups.
You won't. Show the people. Hey! Are you really doing it or are you... Oh! Nature pull-up!
That was so hard.
Hey, could I try?
Yeah. Do it.
Hold up. I still getting wedgies, yo. You know?
Remember when we had a fair and Miss Rizzo had to do that?
Oh, yeah.
But she was like really strong.
This way or other way? This way or this way?
I just doesn't matter.
Alright.
Ah!
I need to do the other way. No.
Boom!
Dang. Dang.
Okay, overachiever.
Okay,
Hey, it's only two,
you
yo.
understand.
Trevor could do like 8.
No, I can't.
Trevor's a beast like that.
Look at this. One.
Oh! Dang, her feet were not touching the ground. Ah!
Pretty
I saw that move. I saw that move.
I was pulling on it, my bad.
Man, this video is gonna be super funny when it's uploaded. We're gonna be like, what were we saying?
Did we go this way?
I don't, Trevor, seriously, we didn't. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you, you got us lost.
No, I didn't.
No, this is the
Trevor got us lost, people.
No, this is the way. Remember we went through some bushes?
Oh, hey, this be a nice picture, high key.
I don't think this is the way.
Uh-oh.
But
No, I
Don't
think.
lie. I
Trevor,
mean, isn't there only one way to get through?
yeah, but I don't remember coming through there.
Yeah, we have to go. We have to go up that way.
So we gotta go back.
Backtrack.
No, let's just go this way.
Man, yelling at me about it.
All right, this is nature. We get lost. Part of nature.
Okay,
We.
let's see who gets there
I found
first.
it.
All right, yeah, let's.
Wait, which way? It's that way?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Thanks. Trevor's the best tour guide in the world.
You're the tour guide.
He should work at Disneyland.
What the?
Stop it.
Trevor gets girls with his tour guide.
That's stupid.
Follow me to my pants.
Wait, how
Psych.
do
You got this. They're just branches.
What's that?
Oh, dang.
You know what's up?
This. Oh! I'm just kidding.
Don't you know?
Just kidding. Look at Trevor, overachiever over here. Nature.
Okay, yeah. Watch out.
Man, this be some 17-minute long. Oh,
How long is it?
it's 17 minutes plus the other 9 minutes. We,
Oh, I
Yeah,
thought you were
son.
stopping and recording.
nah, this, we don't stop.
Who would be? I wonder who would watch the 17-minute video.
I mean, we watched your guys' 11-minute video. Yours and Jable's.
Hey, but this is nature. Funny stuff happens in nature.
Dude, my shoes.
I'm gonna stop. We need an intermission. My hand hurts. I got wedgies up in business. And